Anybody who's anybody is here. And to be frank, like there's no better quality of audience you're gonna find than the one that Messari brings together.
Attending at Mainnet today, what I think is really nice that there's very much this sense of community.
It's hard not to get excited to work with such brilliant and passionate people who really want to make a difference in the world.
The sheer amount that I've learned has far surpassed the effort that I feel like I've put in. There's nothing like it.